name is Linda. I'm a wildlife photographer from the Netherlands, traveling in South Africa, where I'll be spending 3 months in Kruger National Park as a photographer and conservationist. In this episode, I will be traveling from Tamboti to Lower Sabie. On the way, there will be many sightings of all sorts of wildlife, including a very special one. Those cute little puppies. That was amazing. It is early morning and still dark when I leave Tamboti camp. I've got everything packed in the car and I'm ready for a long drive to the south of Kruger. A long day ahead of me, driving from the center of the park all the way to the south, where I'll be spending 2 nights at Lower Sabie camp. The drive is 140 kilometers and it will take around 5 hours and 40 minutes. Yesterday this road was filled with wild dogs, lions and hyenas, but today it's completely empty. Close to the road, I find an elephant mum with her calf. With her trunk she picks the branches from the tree. As it is winter, there are not many green leaves left, but these trees have some greens that are apparently very tasty for an elephant. She's lactating, meaning that her calf still drinks her milk. On average, the calves drink for about 2 years, sometimes even longer. At about 4 months old, they also begin eating plants, but continue to need milk from their mother. Satara, there's a huge area of bush that has been burned recently. These are controlled fires, intending to rejuvenate the bush and giving plants a chance to regrow. This part of Kruger around Satara, from Elephants to Lower Sabie, is mainly savanna grasslands. They are home to large grazing herds and their predators. It is my favorite part of Kruger. I find a few giraffes close to the road and I stop for a couple of minutes to take a few shots of them for this video. In the meantime, it started to rain. Not a sight that I expected at this time of the year in Kruger. The rainy season usually starts from October to March. Good morning, everyone. It is now 9 o'clock and I'm driving from Tamboti to Lower Sabie today. I've just quickly stopped at Satara camp to fill the tank and go to the toilet. And so yeah, now I'm heading to Lower Sabie. That will take me around 4 hours, I think. So I'll probably be there around 1 o'clock. It is quite cloudy and rainy today, so I feel so much like home. Didn't came here for the rain, but hey, it is what it is. And I haven't seen much this morning while driving to Satara. Briefly saw some elephants grazing and some giraffe and some waterbuck, but basically that's it. But yeah, still have 4 hours to go, so who knows what we'll see. And yeah, looking forward to exploring a bit around Lower Sabie. That's always a nice camp and always a nice area. It is quite busy. It is a Sunday and it's school holidays, so it will be super busy, I think. But yeah, there's always lots of sightings of lions and leopards around there. So yeah, we'll see. Fingers crossed. And yeah, for now, I brought some snacks, some dry wurst, or I don't know how they pronounce it here in South Africa, but yeah, dried beef, really nice. And what else do I've got? We've got a chocolate. Yeah, can't do without my chocolate. And yeah, healthy stuff, an apple. So that will keep me going for a while. And yeah, see if I can stop somewhere and have a short break. But yeah, for now, just drive and enjoy and yeah, scan the landscape for some wonderful sightings. I briefly stopped to take a few photos and video clips of some wildebeest that are close to the road. There's wild duck puppies playing over there, but it's very, very far and all kinds of grasses and thickets in front of them. And it's very heavy to keep this lens filming steady without any support. So I should have taken my monopod out of my suitcase. But yeah, we'll try to get something. It is the first time that I see wild duck puppies, and these puppies are still very young. I feel incredibly lucky and grateful for this moment. These playful puppies belong to one of Africa's most endangered carnivore species. With less than 7,000 dogs remaining in the wild, their survival is constantly threatened by habitat loss and human-wildlife conflict. But here in the park, the biggest threat doesn't come from humans. It comes from lions, powerful rivals that share the same land. They're so cute. I think they will be sharp. I struggle with taking good photos of them. Although it might not look like it, they are quite far into the bush. This is filmed with a 600mm lens, and this camera crops in a bit when shooting 4K. And I also crop the footage in post. With all the bushes and grasses in front of the puppies, the camera struggles to focus, so I'm focusing manually. Oh, those cute little puppies. That's so amazing. But I should be on my way to the next camp. If I could only remember this place, because I will be heading back to Satara. Oh, wait. I will mark this place because I will be heading back to Satara. And it's not far from there, so I can see them again, hopefully. Because I think there is a den over there that is still... They're quite tiny, so they're still staying here around the den. I wish I could spend more time with the puppies, but I have to continue my drive to Lower Sabie. That was super exciting. Got a tiny glimpse of the puppies playing, but oh my, they were so tiny and so cute. But I got some shaky footage for you. A little bit further down the road, there are two elephants having a drink at a dam near the main road. Look at the cute little one running off. Further down the road there are some impalas and warthogs grazing. There's some oxpeckers searching for insects on the back of the impalas. I love how these warthogs sit on their knees to search for food. I'm on my way again. It is dry, but the dark clouds in the sky look like it can rain any minute again. It doesn't take long before I see some elephants next to the road, and I have to stop again. Look at that, guys. There's an elephant here. I like to photograph them, but always have to be careful with Ellies. Just give them some space. At some point, the elephants come very close to my car. I don't want to spook them, so I just sit and wait and don't move my car. What an incredible experience. Not happy with some of the cars driving too quickly. Elephants don't like cars driving too fast past them. Unfortunately, this is a very busy main road, especially during the school holidays. People don't drive so fast, scaring the Ellies. Don't like that. Okay, see if I can get some shots. Here. The elephants cross the road behind my car. Time for me to hit the road again and continue my drive to the south. The main road and take a little loop that leads to a wonderful view into the river. I'm not sure what this loop is called. It could be the S86. is spectacular, and if you're lucky, you could definitely spot some wildlife here. On this cloudy and windy day, I only saw this elephant in the riverbed. There's definitely something here. Lots of cars. See if I can see something. There was a male leopard walking through the bushes. I briefly saw him, but didn't manage to film it. I take a little detour on the H12, as other tourists saw lions here at Leeuwpan Dam. I searched for them but couldn't find them, so they probably moved away. I guess that if they would still be here, there would be lots of cars anyway. I didn't regret taking this detour, because on and next to the road there are lots of elephants, including this little baby. Just look at that, those alleys. Just had a nice time filming one of them. Elephants are quite common here, but I never get tired of them. There's something about elephants that just makes you stop and appreciate the moment. Photographing and filming them is always special, but you have to be careful when you're self-driving. Always watch their behavior. If they show signs of stress or aggression, give them space. An angry elephant can do a lot of damage, so it's always best to stay calm and keep your distance, or let them come to you. It's so wonderful. He's walking just in front of my car. But I don't dare to move now. Wait. still here. Oh, this one is crossing the road. Quickly take my phone. Oi, oi, oi. Got some wonderful photos, I think. Always so difficult to choose between photo and video because some of those things were really nice for video as well, but yeah, I was in photo mode. Oh my, this is great. This is another one just near it. Yeah, this one is going to cross the road as well. Shame those people are in a hurry. You see, the Ellie doesn't like it. After spending at least half an hour with the elephants, it was time for me to continue my drive to Lower Sabie. After a grey morning, the sun is finally pushing through the clouds, and I get to see the blue sky. My mood definitely prefers to see the sun, but for my photography it would have been better for the sun to remain behind the clouds. Just look at that landscape. There's so many different landscapes here. You've got forests, you've got grassland plains, you've got these hills, you've got the thickets, Malpani trees. Malpanis are more up north, but it is beautiful here. Absolutely stunning. I can't believe how time flies. This video is already 45 minutes long and I'm only halfway. I hope you have enjoyed it so far. I will share part 2 of this day next Sunday. Many more elephant sightings to come, but also lions hunting warthog, so I hope to see you again in the next video.